We've made a few changes to our birthday and anniversary bot pages in admin. You'll see now that we've split out the employees that have birthdays this month and then employees that do not have birthdays so that you can easily tell which birthdays you need to add. Click Add and then add the birthday to any employee that doesn't have one. For our anniversary page, we used to have an annual percentage increase of your anniversary reward. We've now changed that to be a flat point increase year over year. And if you had a percentage calculated before, we've converted that percentage into a trophy value. So if you had 10% and your starting value was 100, it would add 10 points every year. You can make a change anytime you'd like. We've made the same changes to split out anniversaries this month with employees without anniversaries for your convenience.